It's not a human interaction like I'm trying for, but look how rusty this truck is. Wait, I don't want to get run over. Wow. Surely they've made it to look like that. But either way, I just gotta wait for these cars, and I'm definitely gonna get a picture of this thing. Wow. Kinda like it. See on the side, an old Toyota. I wonder if they plan to respray it or not. Alright, let's get a picture of that. Let's get into the middle of the road. Hopefully you don't get run over. A bit further back. Okay. We will see. Oh yeah, it's black and white. I forgot. But hopefully it will still come out good. And I'll let you guys know. Okay, this is a look after about 5 minutes. Pretty sick. Considering I had a car kind of on the way to hitting me, I'm quite happy with how I framed it. Let's get it out of the light and see how it looks in another 5 minutes. That's 10 minutes. That is beautiful. One of my favorites I've ever taken. Can't even really tell it's rusty, but you can in the video. Let me know what you think. Ciao.